Apple launches a new iPhone every September, and by now we all think we know the playbook. Faster chip, better battery life, slightly tweaked design, and of course improved cameras. But this time, something very interesting might be happening behind the scenes. According to new leaks, Apple could be experimenting with camera tech that normally belongs in proper cameras, not phones. And if it actually ships, it could seriously change how we think about iPhone photography. The rumor comes from China and suggests Apple is testing a teleconverter-style camera for the iPhone 18 Pro models. If that sounds like overkill for a smartphone, that's because it kind of is. Teleconverters are usually found in DSLR and mirrorless cameras, where they're used to extend the focal length of a lens and get much closer to distant subjects without physically moving. Translating that idea into a phone would be a massive step up from the zoom systems we're used to today. The interesting part is how Apple might implement this. Instead of relying on external clip-on lenses, which are awkward and honestly not very Apple-like, the teleconverter would reportedly be built directly into the camera module. That means higher optical zoom without extra accessories, without weird attachments, and without breaking the clean iPhone experience. In simple terms, you'd be able to zoom in much further while keeping detail intact, rather than relying on heavy digital cropping. But that's not the only camera upgrade being talked about. The same leak also revives another long-rumored feature, a variable aperture camera. This would allow the iPhone to physically adjust how much light enters the lens depending on the scene. Bright daylight, smaller aperture for sharper images, low light, wider aperture to pull in more light. It's something traditional cameras have done forever, but iPhones have never had it. If Apple pulls this off, it could significantly improve low-light photos and overall image quality. Of course, this all sounds amazing on paper, but it's not without compromises. Teleconverters usually reduce the amount of light reaching the sensor, which can hurt low-light performance. There's also the risk of losing a bit of sharpness and contrast, especially if the optics aren't perfect. And knowing Apple, if the results aren't good enough, they won't hesitate to kill the feature entirely before launch. So will this actually make it into the final iPhone 18 Pro? No one knows yet. Apple hasn't confirmed anything, and these features are still reportedly in testing. But even the fact that Apple is experimenting with DSLR-style camera tech inside an iPhone is pretty wild on its own. If this does happen, the gap between smartphone cameras and traditional cameras gets even smaller. And if it doesn't, well, it still tells us one thing. Apple is clearly aiming much higher with its cameras than ever before. Now I'm curious, would a teleconverter-style zoom actually matter to you? Or is this just cool tech that most people wouldn't use? Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.